Who are the parties in an eviction case? The individual who brings the case is called the plaintiff. In these actions, you are the plaintiff. You must be the owner of a property to file an eviction case. Only the owner of a property can evict a person from the property. If the property is owned by a business, like a corporation, LLC, or a limited partnership, you must hire an attorney. If you only manage the property for the owner, then you cannot file for eviction. Again, you must be the owner to file for eviction. The tenant is the defendant. The tenant can be anyone who signed the lease and other occupants who are the defendants in eviction cases. A tenant includes a subtenant, but does not include a person or entity that has no legal right to the property. A trespasser means a person or entity that occupies the property but never had any legal right to possess or stay within the property. The landlord does not have to specifically name all of the people occupying the residence and can instead use John Doe or Jane Doe as placeholders. Trespassers. When dealing with trespassers, Utah law gives tenants a right to remove trespassers from their property. This means that if the tenant has unwanted friends staying with them, the tenant can give them a notice that unwanted persons are trespassing. They can then contact the police and have the police remove the unwanted guest from the property. The statute for this is in Utah Code 76-6206.4, number 2. So while you cannot remove the unauthorized person from the property without evicting the tenant, your tenant now has the right to remove them for you. You'll have to work together to get rid of the trespasser. This is important because you can now present your tenant with two options. When they have an unauthorized individual living in the apartment, either the tenant removes them or you will have to evict the tenant to remove the unauthorized person. So either work together or work against each other. These are the parties of an eviction case.